it's Renee with Delaney Jane Cards. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a very quick card using the Rabbit Hole Designs Fearless stamp set. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We're also in the middle of the Delaney Project, which is a personal thing for me. It's 10-day random act of kindness mission in honor of my daughter. So I made a card to send out to a woman I don't know. She doesn't know me. She doesn't know about Delaney. She doesn't know about the Delaney Project. The card does not end up signed. I just stick in a little card that says I'm participating in the Delaney Project and explains a little bit what it is. So besides making a card, I wanted to talk about my subscribership. I just hit 100 subscribers. I know that that doesn't sound like a lot, but to me that's huge because not too long ago I didn't have any subscribers, which, you know, before you start something you can have. And anyway, I want to do something very special for 100 subscribers. I can't say that I'm going to be able to do this every time I hit a milestone, but right now I can. Right now I have a small collection of some extras that I have in my craft room. Real quick here, I stamped one sentiment on the outside of the card, one on the inside. It did a little ink blending with some Distress Oxides, and I even stamped with the Distress Oxide. That's it. That's all the card. So the giveaway. I have a bottle of orange Nuvo drops. I have a small Wow sparkly silver embossing powder. I have some Love from Lizzie copper peel-offs. Not sure what else is up there in the giveaway. Oh, there is a stamp set from Your Next Stamp, a little snowman stamp set. And I also have a die set from MFT that makes like the little shadows that go underneath characters. Here, just adding some sequins to my card. Anyway, so to participate in the subscriber giveaway, open globally. I don't care where I have to send it. If you win it, it's yours. I will send it to you, I promise. Please comment below your favorite card video that I've put up. It can't be this one. I hope this is your favorite. I hope they're all your favorite. But please tell me what your favorite video was that you watched, and if you what technique or what was it about that card or video that made it your favorite. And like I said, open to everyone. The only thing is I need to make sure that you're subscribers. So leave that comment below. Be a subscriber. That's it. And I'll pick a winner. I will probably have one of the kids pick a winner. I will say, let's see, let's give it a week. So in a week, I will post a video with the winner in it. So there's my card. Like, comment below, and as always, first of all, thanks for stopping by, and give cards generously. Bye.